If you're a dog owner, you know how important it is to have a secure and safe yard. Today, we're discussing the best fencing options to keep your furry friends safe and happy. Let's get started. First up is chain link fencing. This option is durable, affordable, and provides good visibility. It's great for larger yards, but make sure it's tall enough to prevent jumping. Next, we have wooden fencing. This classic choice offers privacy and can be customized to match your home. Just ensure it's tall and solid enough to prevent digging or climbing. Vinyl fencing is another excellent option. It's low maintenance, resistant to weather, and available in various styles. Plus, it provides a secure barrier that's hard for dogs to escape through. Consider invisible fencing for a more modern approach. This system uses a collar that delivers a mild shock if the dog gets too close to the boundary. It's great for keeping your yard looking open, but training is essential for effectiveness. Lastly, farm fencing, like split rail or field fencing, can work well for larger properties. These fences are typically strong and can be used with additional mesh to keep smaller dogs contained. When choosing the best fence, consider these factors. Height. Ensure it's tall enough to prevent jumping. Material. Look for durable options that withstand chewing and weather. Visibility. Decide if you want an open or private space. Budget. Factor in both initial costs and long-term maintenance. There you have it. These are some of the best fencing options for dog owners. Choose the one that fits your needs and keeps your pet safe. If you need professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pet and home tips.